Hi, I'm David Susilo. I'm a THX, ISF, and CDA certified AV consultant, designer, calibrator for the past 2.5 decades. You can hire me by contacting me at info@davidsusilo.com, or at the very least, click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to click the bell notification button so every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. And now, onto the video. About a month ago, I reviewed the AWOL Vision Aetherion Max UST projector. Not only this projector is good, but it's phenomenal. I have compared it with Hisense Laser TV, even other AWOL Vision offerings. AWOL Vision Aetherion Max is simply the best. Recently, I received a firmware update for the AWOL Vision Aetherion Max. It makes the great projector even greater. The filmmaker mode is now more accurate and adheres more to the ISF standard. The over-sharpening is no longer there, making the picture quality more analog rather than being too digital. But how about the rest of the settings? Well, as usual, when you start a projector, it will ask you a whole bunch of questions, and you simply have to follow the step-by-step instructions on screen. The parts that's unclear is the video settings. Most people will tell you just to use filmmaker mode. Well, that it's wrong. So what's the most pleasing settings to your eyes? Keep watching. Obviously, you have to turn on the projector before doing anything else. Grab the projector remote, press power. The projector will power on with the blue light in the middle. Just like this. It will then project AWOL Vision logo on the screen. Grab your remote again and press the wheel icon, which means settings. From there, scroll down to pictures and press OK. Choose theater, not filmmaker mode, but theater. Go to laser luminance and set it to 10. Leave enhanced black level to on. Switch dark detail to on. Make sure gamma at 2.2. And leave the rest as is. Get out from there and get into color and set the color to 60. When done, go down further and set color temperature to warm 2. Set the color adaptation to on and set color space to auto. Next, go to clarity and then press enter. Set smooth gradation to low, AI super resolution to medium, noise reduction to low, MPEG noise reduction to low, and turn off motion enhancement. From there, you can go to calibration settings. You can play with color tuner, white balance, and gamma calibration. I strongly recommend against using other people's settings because lighting condition, screen size, even the color of the paint will affect the color balance of your projector. So there you go. That's my recommended settings. It's not calibration, it's just a recommended settings that I find to be very pleasing to my eyes if I don't want to professionally calibrate the projector. For everything else, there's MasterCard. So try it out. Let me know what you think about my settings. Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.